Hey, what's up guys? It's Ronaldo, your credit coach here in the beautiful city of Long Beach. Check out that sunset behind me. Isn't that beautiful? Right guys, this week I want to give you 2 ways you can establish credit for the first time if you are a teenager. The fastest way, number one, is to get added to someone that really trusts you. Have them add you as an authorized user. They can add you as an authorized user, and whatever history they have on their credit card will be added to your credit report within 30 days. If they had the card for 10 years, if they had it for 5 years, all that information, good or bad, preferably good, will be added to your credit report. The second way is for you to go and open a secured credit card. You make a deposit of minimum $300. They put it in a safe account, savings account, and they issue you in return a secured credit card. Where you make your payments on time, good for your credit. You miss payments, bad for your credit report. And that can actually be reported within 30 days. Right guys, the two best ways is get added as an authorized user to a friend, family member's credit card. Their information will report to your credit. The second way is open a secured credit card.